Yeah, it's kind of cool because there's smoke in the background, so it's kind of a nice setting.
What we have here is my attempt at a hunter salami. And normally you'd make this in sausage casings and air dry it and then maybe smoke it. That's not what we did here. I've got a mold here meant for pressed hams. You just saw it bounce up, spring loaded. Let's take the spring out. Uh-oh. Ugh. Let's see. Can I just pull it out, or I'm going to have to whack it? Got the salami in this baggie here, which
Oh, it's coming.
it's coming.
Yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, there we go. Wow. A little more. That's a nice tight pack. What you want, right? Oh, beautiful.
Here it comes.
Oh, that looks nice. No, keep pulling. Oh, that's nice. That looks just like salami. It's growing.
Got
Wow.
it. Wow.
Super.
All right.
Look at that.
This is
2
2
pounds?
pounds of ground beef with the appropriate salami seasonings. I let it rest in the fridge and age for a couple days before I cooked it in the oven. And then it rested in the fridge for a few more days after the fact.
Okay.
Let's see if it'll just come out of this plastic here.
It looks like it will, because that's loose. Yep, there you go.
Go.
Wow, look at that. Woohoo!
All right.
That's super cool. Yep, you got it. Whoa, don't lose the sausage. It's gonna roll off the table.
Bigger knife.
No, you're good there. Should be perfect. There it is. Slice o salami.
It's definitely a beef. Not as flavorful as I was hoping. Could use more. But it's definitely a salami.
Nice.
For a first attempt, I would say it's a success. In terms of the quality of the seasoning, I mean, it'll be nice. It's not bad. It's very mild.
Okay.
Could use more pepper. Could use more garlic. But for a first go, I'd call that a success.
Great. Okay, so layers of flavor.
There should be.
It's not as hard as salami,
Nope.
but it's almost like is this a summer sausage?
That's sort of the idea. I think a summer sausage would definitely be drier. And maybe,
I like the moisture to it.
and a summer sausage would certainly be saltier.
And I like that it's not so salty.
I like that too.
Yeah.
I wish it was more peppery.
It could be more peppery. But the flavors are in layers.
Yes.
I like it a lot.
Yes.
Yay, Ken. Hot and sweet.
So course number 2, hot and sweet, we hope, baked beans.
Hot and sweet.
What's the verdict?
Hot. Ooh. Ooh. Sweet. Oh my gosh, Ken. Oh, the sweet like lingers late. The hot hits you first. Wow, these are yummy.
Great
And crunch from the
onion. Great Northern beans. Yellow onion. Black beans. Some maple syrup.
Oh, wow.
and a tangy barbecue sauce and garlic.
Nice.
And that's about it.
Uh-huh. Mmm.